Dun 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 dun! Kylie skin! Hi guys!
You can do my intro.
Hi guys! This is Juhei featuring in Julia Suh's video. Hi!
Hi. What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna review Kylie's skin.
Okay.
We bought 4 products from hers and we're super excited!
Okay. What do we have first?
First, we have this foaming face wash.
Okay.
And then walnut face scrub. The vanilla milk toner.
Cool.
And then the face moisturizer.
Cool. So we should probably talk about our skin types first. My skin is really dry, like very dry. How else would you describe my skin?
Dry with kind of combination because you get
Sometimes I get oily, yeah, like around here.
Yeah, but
and like
mostly
here.
you're super dry.
Yeah.
I'm super oily. I'm an oil slick.
So it's gonna be interesting to see how these products work on both of our skin types. Usually I use a lot of like Korean skincare products, and you too, right?
Yes.
So this is our first time gonna try these products. Should we open them up and see what they look like? Okay, you can open that one up.
Side note, I have very sensitive skin, so I'm interested to try this. Oh, the packaging's super nice.
So this one is the walnut face scrub. It looks like this.
This is the foaming face wash. I'm so excited to try this.
We watched like a review from another YouTuber, and she said that foaming face wash is bad for people with dry skin.
Yeah.
Right? Did you know that before, or?
I didn't know.
Yeah,
I
never
thought
know that either.
I thought foaming skin was really good to like clear all your makeup and gunk in your pores, but I didn't know it was bad for dry skin.
Yeah. And then we saw another review where like the face scrub was a little bit like harsh. But we'll see about that. Do you want to open this one?
Yeah. I'm so excited to try it on oily skin.
Yeah. I'm excited for this one because I heard a lot of good things about the face moisturizer.
And the toner.
And the toner, yeah.
I heard that it smells like, oh! Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Does it smell good?
It smells like vanilla. Yes.
Oh, it smells really good.
It smells really good.
Oh,
I like
okay.
this one.
That one is supposed to smell like
Walnut.
Walnut. And
It's
this one,
oh, it has a, what is this?
like plastic.
Yes.
Or,
Seal.
yeah, like aluminum. I'm gonna hold this. Can you see this?
Okay, it takes a lot of pumping to get it out. Ooh. Oh.
It feels
super
on the thicker
creamy.
side,
Yeah.
I think that's good for me. I like the thicker like moisturizers.
On a daily basis, I just use like a gel moisturizer because that's better for oily skin. So I'm interested. Oh, okay. What does that smell?
It smells like
Just,
cream.
yeah, cream without fragrance.
Yeah.
It really doesn't have
But
fragrance.
it's like nice. It's not like,
I really want to
too
try
dry.
this.
yeah.
This is the walnut face scrub. As of now, I can't smell anything.
Yeah, me neither. Maybe you have to just take it out.
Okay, it looks like this. Oh, it's super fine.
It looks like soft. Like almost like velvety. The beads are like really small too.
Yeah. I feel like it won't be too harsh for our skin.
Yeah. Does it smell like walnut?
No.
It doesn't smell like...
Is this how walnuts smell? I don't
It
usually
kind of just
smell.
doesn't really smell like anything.
Yeah. But I can tell it's super, super fine.
Yeah.
So.
We're going to take off our makeup and use the foaming face wash first, and then off camera, and then we'll come back and tell you guys what we think.
Yes. Okay.
Very
It feels
foamy.
so smooth.
Feels really soft.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Okay. Oh, it smells so good.
What it kind of smells like a baby product.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, I
Johnson's
love
baby
this.
soap.
The foam goes down pretty quickly.
Like it blends in your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't know what that is, but
are usually like foam supposed to like?
They usually stay foamy, but this like disappears.
Turns like
invisible, like clear.
Yeah, it's going like away.
Okay.
Okay.
It does give my face like a tingly feeling right now. Okay,
So I mean,
hopefully that's doing its job.
So we just rinsed off our faces and it feels like cold, like a cooling feeling. Yeah. Like it doesn't feel tight at all either.
Yeah. I
Actually
heard
feels
from
nice.
a lot of YouTubers that it feels tight.
Yeah.
But
I don't feel any
me.
tightness at all. Okay, now we're gonna try the walnut face scrub.
look at time size. Yeah. That's good.
Very fine.
Super fine.
It's very, really fine. It doesn't really feel like other exfoliants where like the beads are bigger.
It doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
You know how some exfoliators hurt your face?
So this seems like it would be more for like sensitive skin, I guess?
Yeah. I like this.
Me too.
It's not too harsh for my face.
Yeah.
I love exfoliating my face, but I hate big beads, you know.
I usually use like that gel one that you suggested, that peels off, and I like that one because it doesn't hurt.
Yeah.
Like this one, it doesn't hurt as bad as other ones, but it kind of hurts
It's
my
still,
skin.
yeah, I don't think we need to use it for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
Should we rinse it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. I'm
How does your face feel?
Right now it's dry, but it's not like stripping. It doesn't hurt my face, you know?
Okay.
It doesn't pull.
My skin kind of feels like really dry, I feel like. Like I definitely need something like moisturizing ASAP. But it was definitely, okay, let's talk about the face wash first.
Yes.
What did you think about this?
It wasn't as, I don't know, like puffy as I wanted it to be because as you guys saw, it disappeared. Like it's clear. It didn't lather up like I wanted it to be.
Okay.
And it did tingle my face. I don't know why.
Yeah, I felt like a little bit of like a tingling sensation in the beginning, like right when I put it on, but then it kind of went away.
Yeah, I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be doing.
Maybe.
Because I don't usually use foaming face wash, so I don't know. But my face does feel very clean.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Well, especially when we try the toner, if we look at the cotton pad, we'll see if like more makeup comes off, because then we'll see how that works. So about the walnut face scrub, it doesn't smell that strong. I feel like I thought it would smell like more walnutty, but
or like vanilla-y.
or something. But I think I like it.
I think I like it too.
Yeah.
I like smaller, how do you say it?
Like beads.
Yeah, beads than bigger beads, definitely. And it didn't hurt my face.
Yeah, it was definitely more like on the sensitive side. I feel like.
It's like more gentle, I feel like. So I think you only need to use it like twice a week.
Yeah.
The more, if you use too much face scrub, then you're just gonna damage your skin.
Yeah, like I don't think it's forever to use for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try the toner. I'm actually really excited to try this one because it smells so good.
I don't want to. Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Oh, it's like very milky.
Wow. It actually looks like
thick. The toners that I've used, like the Korean ones, are very like thin and like see-through.
yeah.
But this one like looks very like milky.
Oh my
This
gosh.
smells really good.
It smells so good.
Okay.
I could use it for
Ooh.
just the smell.
This feels very like moisturizing too.
I actually prefer thicker toners because I feel like it hydrates my face without overly like, I don't know, deifying my face.
Feels really nice. I feel like because the scrub and the cleanser like stripped our skin of everything, like this is like so necessary.
Oh wow, I love this.
Do you have any makeup that's on your cotton pad?
No, I
Neither.
none.
I have none.
Clean. Okay.
Cool.
The face wash did its job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Feels nice and smells really good.
I love
Actually
this.
really love this
So
one.
far, this is my favorite.
Yes. Okay. So our last product is the face moisturizer. So this one, when I was watching reviews, a lot of people said that it's a good like daytime moisturizer, like underneath your makeup, rather than nighttime. Let's see. Yeah. So again, there's not really a scent on this.
Okay.
Feels nice. It's not as thick as I was imagining though.
Yeah. It definitely feels thicker, like it looks thicker than it feels.
Than it is,
yeah.
I feel like I need like
One
another
more.
pump, yeah.
I think I'm good.
You're good?
Oh, this feels really nice.
Yeah. I think definitely this is a daytime one underneath makeup because it's not like too heavy.
Yeah.
And like at night I usually use the Claire's moisturizer, and that one's like really thick.
I just use essential oils. But
I kind of feel like a tingling feeling. Do you feel it?
no.
Like I kind of feel it tingling like everywhere.
Do you think it's from the face wash?
I don't know. Like it's like a burning.
Oh no.
Yeah, like everywhere.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't feel that.
I feel it. Do I have sensitive skin?
Not too
Really?
much.
Not as much
But
as
probably because you're dry.
Yeah.
And you just use like really cleansing products.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of feel it like tingling.
Maybe this line is good for oily skin people.
Maybe. It's
Because
meant for
I don't
all
feel
skin types though.
Yeah.
Weird.
I wonder how this is gonna do for me during the daytime. Like,
Yeah.
is it gonna make me look super oily?
Yeah, you should try it tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then see.
So far, my face feels super moisturized.
You guys are probably wondering why I'm like asking Juhei like about my skin. She like knows more about like my skin than I do. She's the one that tells me like, oh, your skin is like this, it's like that, or like what products to use because she's a makeup artist.
Yes,
Go check her out.
Yes, please. Makeup by Juby.
Yes, I'll leave it in the description box down below.
Okay.
How about we rate our most favorite to least favorite product?
Mine is the toner would be number 1.
Okay.
Actually the face scrub is number 2. The moisturizer would be 3, and then the face wash would be my least favorite. How about you?
I think it's the same order.
Yeah.
Like definitely the toner smells so good, and it was like super like thick and milky and moisturizing. Then the scrub was really nice too. I don't have like a scrub that has the exfoliating beads right now since I use the gel one. So I think this is a nice addition. And then the moisturizer next. And then of course the face wash last for sure. I think just because these ones like kind of made my skin feel tingly and like a little bit of like a burning sensation, and I don't really like that. But yeah.
We'll have to try more.
Yeah, I think we have to try more and see. Which ones are the ones that you got and I got?
These 2.
And I got these 2?
Yes.
Damn it. So we each got 2 products to like try out, and then we plan to like try it all out together. And I picked out these ones, and these are the ones that I don't like.
Yay!
So you're gonna share, right?
Okay. Sharing is caring.
Yes.
And I share. This is definitely worth trying, and it's I'm surprised how cheap, like how
the
affordable
pricing is
it
really good.
Yeah.
I'll do like an update comment actually on this video later to like update you guys on like how our skin is feeling after we use these products like a little bit more.
Yeah. I think about a week is enough to know if it like breaks you out or not, because you know I break out instantly.
True.
She knows.
Yeah.
Like instantly.
Cool. Okay, that's it for this video. That's fun.
Yes, that
Did you have
was.
fun? You're really good. You should start a YouTube channel.
I should, right?
Yeah. Comment below if you think that she should. She knows everything about makeup and skincare. She literally has taught me everything that I know. If you guys have used these products, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts. I'll leave all the links down below too. Everything is sold out, I believe, on their website, but they're probably going to restock soon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I still feel tingly.
Oh no.
Is that weird?
Does it hurt?
Why are you staring at my ears? Is something wrong?
No.
You keep looking at my ears.
So Asian.
Okay, I think we can use that.
Cool.
Let's go over there.